Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Priyanshi Biology Basics. In this video, we will go through NEET previous year questions. This is part 1 and stay tuned for more parts. So the first question is, meiosis takes place in A. Meiocyte, B. Gamule, C. Megaspore, D. Conidiophores. And the correct answer is option A. Meiocyte. Question 2. Which of the following flowers only once in the lifetime? A. Mango, B. Jackfruit, C. Bamboo species, D. Papaya. And the correct answer is option C. Bamboo species. Question 3. Megasporangium is equivalent to A. Embryo, B. Nucellus, C. Ovule, D. Fruit. And the correct answer is option C. Ovule. Question 4. Unisexuality of flowers prevents A. Autogamy and geitonogamy, B. Both geitonogamy and xenogamy, C. Autogamy but not geitonogamy, D. Geitonogamy but not xenogamy. And the correct answer is option C. Autogamy but not geitonogamy. Question 5. Product of sexual reproduction generally produces A. Longer viability of seeds, B. Prolonged dormancy, C. New genetic combination leading to variation, and D. Large biomass. And the correct answer is option C. New genetic combination leading to variation. Question 6. The coconut water from tender coconut represents A. Free nuclear endosperm, B. Endocarp, C. Fleshy mesocarp, or D. Free nuclear proembryo. And the correct answer is option A. Free nuclear endosperm. Question 7. Which one of the following is not the function of placenta? A. Facilitates removal of carbon dioxide and waste material from embryo. B. Secretes oxytocin during parturition. C. Facilitates supply of oxygen and nutrients to embryo. Or D. Secretes estrogen. And the correct answer is option B. Secretes oxytocin during parturition. This is not the function of placenta. Question 8. Which of the following cannot be detected in a developing fetus by amniocentesis? A. Down syndrome, B. Jaundice, C. Klinefelter syndrome, or D. Sex of the fetus. And the correct answer is option B. Jaundice. Question 9. Flowers which have single ovule in the ovary and are packed into inflorescence are usually pollinated by A. Water, B. Bee, C. Wind, or D. Bat. And the correct answer is option C. Wind. Question 10. One of the legal methods of birth control is A. By having coitus at the time of daybreak, B. By a premature ejaculation during coitus, C. Abortion by taking an appropriate medicine, or D. By abstaining from coitus from day 10 to 17 of the menstrual cycle. And the correct answer is option D. By abstaining from coitus from day 10 to 17 of the menstrual cycle. Question 11. Functional megaspore of an angiosperm develops into A. Ovule, B. Endosperm, C. Embryo sac, or D. Embryo. And the correct answer is option C. Embryo sac. Question 12. Which of the following has proved helpful in preserving pollen as fossils? A. Oil content, B. Cellulosic intine, C. Pollen kit, or D. Sporopollenin. And the correct answer is option D. Sporopollenin. Question 13. Changes in GnRH, gonadotropin releasing hormone, pulse frequency in females is controlled by circulating levels of A. Estrogen and inhibin, B. Progesterone only, C. Progesterone and inhibin, or D. Estrogen and progesterone. And the correct answer is option D. Estrogen and progesterone. Question 14. Menstrual flow occurs due to lack of A. Oxytocin, B. Vasopressin, C. Progesterone, or D. FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. And the correct answer is option C. Progesterone. Question 15. Which one of the following generates new genetic combinations leading to variation? A. Nucellular polyembryony, B. Vegetative reproduction, C. Parthenogenesis, or D. Sexual reproduction. And the correct answer is option D. Sexual reproduction. Question 16. In case of a couple where the male is having a very low sperm count, which technique will be suitable for fertilization? A. Gamete intracytoplasmic fallopian transfer, B. Artificial insemination, C. Intracytoplasmic sperm injection, or D. Intrauterine transfer. And the correct answer is B. Artificial insemination. Question 17. The difference between spermiogenesis and spermiation is, and the correct answer is option D. In spermiogenesis, spermatozoa are formed, while in spermiation, spermatozoa are released from Sertoli cells into the cavity of seminiferous tubules. Question 18. Pollination in water hyacinth and water lily is brought about by agency of A. Bats, B. Water, C. Insects or wind, or D. Birds. And the correct answer is option C. Insects or wind. Question 19. The contraceptive Saheli is A. Blocks estrogen receptors in the uterus, preventing eggs from getting implanted. B. Increase the concentration of estrogen and prevent ovulation in females. C. Is an IUD, or D. Is a postcoital contraceptive. And the correct answer is option A. Contraceptive Saheli blocks estrogen receptors in the uterus, preventing eggs from getting implanted. Question 20. What is the correct sequence of sperm formation? And the correct answer is option B. First spermatogonia are formed, then spermatocyte, then spermatids, and in the end spermatozoa are formed. Question 21. Hormones secreted by placenta to maintain pregnancy are A. HCG, HPL, progestogens, prolactin, B. HCG, HPL, estrogens, relaxin, oxytocin. Option C. HCG, HPL, progestogens, estrogens. Option D. HCG, progestogens, estrogens, or glucocorticoids. And the correct answer is option C. HCG, HPL, progestogens and estrogens. Question 22. The amnion of mammalian embryo is derived from A. Ectoderm and mesoderm, B. Endoderm and mesoderm, C. Mesoderm and trophoblast, or D. Ectoderm and endoderm. And the correct answer is option A. Ectoderm and mesoderm. Question 23. Capacitation occurs in. Capacitation is a physiological process where sperm undergoes structural and biochemical changes in the female reproductive system so as to become capable of fertilizing an egg in the females. So this capacitation occurs in A. Epididymis, B. Vas deferens, C. Female reproductive tract, or D. Retitestes. And the correct answer is option C. Female reproductive tract. Question 24. Artificial insemination means A. Artificial introduction of sperm of healthy donor into vagina, B. Introduction of sperm of healthy donor directly into ovary, C. Transfer of sperm of healthy donor to test tube containing ova, or D. Transfer of sperm of husband to a test tube containing ova. And the correct answer is option A. artificial introduction of sperm of a healthy donor into the vagina. Now the last question, question 25. Natality refers to A. Death rate, B. Birth rate, C. Number of individuals leaving the habitat, or D. Number of individuals entering a habitat. And the correct answer is option B, birth rate. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.